In this video, we're going to talk about radians. This is going to be a very short video, probably the shortest one that we've had all semester. And that's because we're just going to define what the radian is, and then I'm going to show you how to convert in between degrees and radians. The hardest part about this, making sure your calculator is in the correct mode. So your calc must be in the correct mode. All right. So, what is a radian? Well, a radian is a measure of an angle with its vertex at the center of a circle and with an intercepted arc on the circle equal in length to the radius of the circle itself. So, your book has a great picture of this. So, right here is what 1 radian equals. So, the radius of the circle is 1. And if you were to put this on the arc, and as it sweeps out, theta will equal 1 radian. So that's how we define radians. Now, the conversion to convert in between radians and degrees is right here. So pi radians will equal 180 degrees. So, for example, 30 degrees in the radians, if we wanted to convert that, well, all we have to do is start with what we're given, 30 degrees. We're going to multiply this by our conversion factor. Our conversion factor is right here. And remember, we want degrees to reduce. So I put 180 degrees down below, pi radians above. When I go ahead and multiply this out, I get 30 over 180. Or pi over 6 radians. All right, so that's what 30 degrees is as radians. Another example would be something like, let's say, 270 degrees. All right, what is that in radians? So start with what you're given, 270. We're going to multiply this by pi radians over 180 degrees. So this turns out to be 270 over 180 pi radians. And when you reduce this fraction, you should get 3 pi over 2 radians. Now, some other useful conversions would be this. 1 degree is equal to pi over 100 radians. All right, which is approximately 0.01745 radians. So that's the distance of 1 degree. And then the other one would be, well, what's 1 radian then? Well, 1 radian equals 180 degrees over pi, which is 57.3 degrees. Perhaps the most important thing to remember is to read the directions, all right? If they want an approximation, then you're going to give a decimal answer. If they want an angle measurement, then use pi equals 180 degrees and just leave your answer in pi. All right? And that'll be it for this video.